marango weche mag somo e pacho kae kachung' od bura mamalo oyango ni nitiere nok mar kilese kuonde tiegruok mag lwedo ma pacho ka koro gikwayo sirikal mondo oket maino mare tieko moko kuom dongruoge e kuonde tiegruokgo. E kinde mane gitwak gi jofwambo bang' timo limbe moko kuom kuonde tiegruogego mayudore e kaunti ma Nandi, jakom Apudno Julius Meli oyango ni thoth kuonde tiegruoge mag lwedo nigi nok mag kilese kaachiel kod laboratoris ka koro okwayo sirikal mondo okete maino mage e tieko gino mowacho ni biro konyo ahinya to e kinde ma kwan mamalo mag jopuonjre chano donjo e kuonde tiegruogego.
This is part of the continuation of our visitation to national polytechnics. One and the most important one is to see how they actually they are doing, and the most important aspect of this is on the dual training. We want to see how they are implementing the dual training, where the students participates in the classwork and at the same time goes for attachment at the industry. Two, we also want to look at the modular training, where we wanted the students to take a shorter time at the institution, at the same time not losing on acquisition of skills, but also not taking too much time of the student in the institution, maybe 3-4 years. The other aspect which we have been looking at here is the issue of projects. We want to ensure that the projects are completed, and if they are stalled projects, if any, what mechanisms have been put in place to ensure that most of the projects that are within the institution are completed and are in use.